Hello everyone. Budget for the next year was presented by our respected finance ministers a couple of days back. Among other things, she has suggested changes in tax rates under the new regime of income tax. Now taxpayer can choose the regime beneficial to them. It can be either new regime or an old regime. However, comparing the tax outflows under both the regime may not be easy for a non-finance person. So here we are sharing an Excel file where the calculation part is already done. So this is how the sheet looks like. You just need to enter here the total income in cell number C9 and the total deduction available in cell number C11. Rest all the calculations will be done by the Excel. Now when you enter total income, you should be entering total income after deducting the deductions that are allowable under new regime as well as old regime. So here are the list of deductions highlighted in blue at the end of the sheet, which are available both in new regime and old regime, most common being standard deduction available to salaried employees under section 16(1)(a), that is 50,000. So whatever the total of this four deduction is, you reduce it from your total income and enter that number here. And in cell number C9, you need to enter the amount of deductions that is available other than these four that we already considered under the old regime. So let us say the total income after considering the common deduction is coming to 12 lakhs and my total deduction that is only available under old regime is, let's say, 2 lakhs. So here are the tax calculation under both the regimes. As you can see, the new regime is beneficial, saving tax outflows by 22,500, and accordingly you can choose. Now, just for the easy understanding, we have calculated a deduction amount for which the tax under both regime will be same provided the income is more than 15 lakh and it is less than 2 CR. For income less than 15 lakh, the deduction amount at which the old regime and new regime tax outflow will be same keeps on changing based on your income. So for above 15 lakh, the number is 3,75,000. So if your income is 3 lakh, 15 lakhs or above up to 2 crore and your total deduction which are available under old regime over and above available in new regime is 3,75,000, then your tax outflow will be same in both the regime and you will be indifferent in selecting your regime in which you want to go. So this is it, friends. I'll be sharing this Excel file in the instruction to this video. Hope this will be useful to everyone. Thank you.